Hey everybody, today we're going to make something super good. Super good. This is going to be the easiest and most flavorful chicken and dumplings using croissant dough, the kind in the tube. Let's get started. First things first, these are 2 chicken breasts that I cut up. And we're going to season them up. What we will start off, let me get this. We're going to start off with some salt and pepper, of course. And you might be able to use thighs if you wanted, I imagine. That would be good. Then, of course, pepper. Then, little dash or 2 of garlic powder. And onion powder. Alright, now we're just gonna flip these over to get the other side. Because the last thing you want is unflavored chicken. Am I right? You can say yes, it's okay, I already know. Alright. That side we're just doing salt and pepper. Now, let's run over here to the stove. I need to throw some butter in this pan. Now you can do your chicken any way you want. Boil it if you like. You can bake it. Ours was still a little frozen, so I decided to do it this way. Screaming hot. Boom. I'm gonna let that go until it's done. See you then. Okay. Now, you can see the first one's already done. So, is it cooked all the way through? Doesn't really matter. It's mostly cooked because we're going to chop this up or shred it, and it's going to cook again in the oven. So, it's flavorful. I'm just going to put that top on there and just let it rest until it's cool enough to handle. Okie dokie. So, here's the chicken. I'm just going to take it out. I was going to shred it, but I think I'm just going to cut it into wee pieces. I think that would be good. So I'm going to do this. Super exciting to watch this part. So, in addition to shredding this, I steamed some broccoli, and I'm going to just slice it into smaller pieces as well. So I will see you in a few minutes. Okay. Alright, let's get this magic started. First things first. You can do a 9x13. Just do another chicken breast. I'm doing a 9x9. We're going to spray that baby up good. Then, crescent rolls. And you're just going to separate them into the lovely triangles that they are. And what we're going to do here is get some meat, some of that there chicken. And we're just going to roll it up. Yep. Alright. There's one, seam side down. And with the rest of this, I'm just going to put it in there. Next, the broccoli. We're just going to make that as even as possible. Plus, it's veggies for the kiddos in your family. Next comes the sauce. Couldn't be any easier. Can of cream of mushroom. Can of cream of chicken. And then I'm going to add for flavor just some more chicken bouillon, this little Knorr stuff, and not much. Just a wee sprink. Just to give it that home cooking. And then one cup of milk. And we're going to give this a little wixie-doo. Alrighty. And here it is. If it's a wee bit on the lumps side, who cares? It's all gonna correct in the oven. One last thing. Cheese. Any kind you want. Cheddar. I'm doing a marbled cheddar. And you can see I'm being very careful on the measurements. So you just want to cover it. I know you ever have I see other videos where they make a spill on the counter. You never see them pick it up, but you know they do it. 100%. They ain't gonna let a clean counter come between them and everything. All I'm saying is, other YouTube people, we saw you spill it. Just pick it up and put it back in. Now, this is going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Can't even wait. Lucky, lucky, lucky at that. Tell me how good that looks. You know what else it looks like? Fire. If I was to even try this right now, I'd melt like the Nazi in Indiana Jones where his face melts from looking at the Ark. That would be me. And who would want this sweet ass punum to melt? I know what you're thinking. Not you. Not you at all. So we're gonna let it cool for just a bit. All right. I'm going in. Get some of that. Okay. Now I wish you just look right at it. Look at that. Does that not look delish? You got your bread, you got your dairy, you got vegetables and protein. And wheat. This is an all-in-one yum fest. So I guess you don't need to try it. Okay. Can you see the steam still coming off? My goodness, that's tasty. And so easy. Alright. This is going to be one of our normal rotations. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you try this and just find out how freaking amazing it is. And how about a thumbs up? I always ask, rarely get a thumbs up. And if you like this, subscribe, because I'm back, baby, and I'm making more videos.